Hey, what's up? If you're new to this channel, hey, I'm Bret Shuford, and I'm the Creative Life Coach. And on this channel, I like to help you build a brand, a creative brand that makes you money doing what you love. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Okay, I've got my Hello Dolly mug. Get it? Hello to Dolly. My husband was in that show, in case you don't know. And now we are going to test out the MyPureMist Free. Now, the important thing to understand about using a vocal steamer is that it is really important to hydrate your cords. Now here I am drinking coffee, it's actually a dehydrant, like it'll actually dehydrate your cords. Drinking lots of water is really, really healthy to keep your vocal cords. You know, your vocal cords are tiny, tiny little folds. So you wanna make sure they're moist, you wanna make sure they're hydrated, especially if you're gonna be speaking or singing for extended amounts of time. And you also wanna make sure they're warm, right? It's just like any muscle that you use, you want to warm it up, otherwise you could do damage. So steaming is a very important part of that. There's lots of different tools out there, but MyPureMist is probably the most common. So we're gonna check this out and compare it to the one that I did a review in the last video. Let's see. So I'll push the power button and you'll see turning on. It takes a minute for it to warm up. What's really cool is you can use this button here to change the temperature if you want to make it warmer. The circles will go around and show you. You can also see here on the back, it'll show you that you're good with the amount of water, and it will turn red when you start to get low on water if you need more. Each of those water containers is good for 30 minutes, 15-minute sets of each. This will stop at 15 minutes. I turned the heat up all the way. Let's see how it feels. I think it's still warming up maybe. And I'm not quite sure what these scent pads are gonna do, so we'll find out. It smells a little bit like plastic because it's been in a box, and this is plastic here. I like it when it's just like kind of a super, super warm, moist, foggy. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, I'm not getting a lot of steam out of this. Oh, it's coming. It's getting better. But what's nice about this is I can walk around and steam and do stuff, and I don't have to be glued one place. The other one, I felt like with the cord, it was very annoying. I also had to order those bottles. This is much more contained, so it's easier to travel with in the dressing room, or if I'm commuting, or if I'm flying for a concert, which happens a lot. This feels a little more manageable. Okay, it's producing more steam. Now, is it gonna feel like getting a facial? No, not at all. Okay, I think I like this. I'm also still not really sure what the scent pads do. Why don't I take it out and see what happens? Oh, it's much better than it was. I actually really like it. Okay, I like it because of its convenience. I think it would take 15 minutes for this to actually feel like it's doing something to my cords, because I feel it mostly in my sinuses, which is also a good thing, right? You want to clear your sinuses. What I like about this is that it is the convenience. So packing this up, throwing it in my suitcase, traveling with it, this is definitely a better use of that. Plus you get those really easy travel containers of water. I just wish it produced more steam. I want it to feel just a little bit more moist, and I want it to do it just a little bit quicker. But I think for convenience sake, I think this is a pretty awesome thing. I'm gonna put a link down to this below if you wanna check it out. Let me know in the comments which steamer you like more, and put a link to that for me as well, and then maybe I'll do a little review for you. And also let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see here. Okay, you guys, I think you were right. I think this wins, mostly because of its convenience, but it also seems like it's easier to maintain. The other one, the maintenance is high, it breaks very easily. This feels much more sustainable. Plus, I can just throw it in a bag, throw it in my suitcase, bring the waters with me. It's pretty awesome. So I would check out MyPureMist Free if you're looking for a vocal steamer that's gonna help you get warmed up. Just know it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take 15 to 30 minutes for it to actually do the work. But you know, for the convenience, for the price, for what it does, This is definitely a must-have for anyone who's a speaker or a singer who needs to use their voice to make money. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video, and I'll see you in the next video.